the car? There's a bunch of stuff in here to check out. The future explore. Look at this place here, Bon Quan.
Yeah.
But there's nobody there. And then it's like the next block over.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna be ready full on. I no recording here.
Okay.
There's a chocolate house. Here's the water puppet theater right in front of us, Jenny.
Where? Oh, cool.
Remember the water puppet show?
Yeah. Did you want to do that?
Oh, there's a gate there. See?
Oh, maybe you have to like pay or something to go across.
Or something. It doesn't have that much security for it to be like, you know, it's like low security, so it's not like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another little ice cream place here. This place looks cute. Right up here in the water.
Where?
This thing right- Maybe Nina. All right, where you want to go down this way? We're in the middle.
Okay.
We should have. Let's go this way.
Okay.
We'll come back
Yeah.
this way. We'll end it.
Look, babe. Look at the food. Looks
Yeah.
good.
Looks good.
Yeah. Hello. This one's good.
A ty już znikłeś?